everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about seed starting stuff. And a bunch of you are probably going, what are you talking about now? We started our seeds a long time ago. We have our garden going. True, but have you thought about getting next year's supplies now? And that's what this is all about. Because once the seed starting season has gone by and people are actually working in the garden, the garden is growing, a lot of times that stuff for starting the seeds goes on sale. So go ahead and buy the stuff that's going on sale that you'll need next year. Also, think about expanding your garden. You're going to be able to start more seeds to plant more food. So think about expanding what you have and making it so you can grow more food. All right. So seed starting stuff, anytime it's on sale, pick some up. All righty. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, seed starting stuff for the garden, other tools for the garden. Why? This is why.